breakfast is served. This looks way better than anything I had this morning. In the great outdoors, we've got your next camping breakfast covered. Welcome back out to the Studio 5 Plaza. I'm with Heidi VanValkenburg from Rhodes Bacon Serve. We have a couple visitors to the plaza as well. I've named them Bitsy and Buzzy, but
I know.
Heidi doesn't want me to encourage the bees.
I just don't even want you to be friendly with them.
I'm sorry, okay, I'll ignore. But Jeff was warning us they like the protein, so now that we've uncovered the protein, they're gonna be here for the party. What are we making, sister?
So, first of all, can I rename it?
What?
It's called Dutch Oven Mountain Man Strata. Strata is a breakfast casserole. Why don't we just call it Mountain Man Casserole?
Mountain Man Casserole.
That's Dutch oven, because you can do it in the Dutch oven. If you don't have a Dutch oven and you want to do it in your oven, you could do the same thing in your oven.
Listen, I'm no feminist, but this is a female show, so shouldn't it be Mountain Mama?
Okay, Mountain Mama.
Mountain Mama?
So we got rid of
casserole? Bitsy and Buzzy, do you agree? They agree. They agree. How do we get started? This looks amazing.
Okay, so this is, you're gonna, in your Dutch oven, 350 is gonna be 16 coals on top, 10 on bottom on a 12-inch Dutch oven.
Okay.
I love these liners, just spray them, and I love those because it's easy cleanup.
Okay.
Okay, so you could do the same thing in a casserole dish in your oven. 350, they're gonna bake for about 60 minutes total.
Nice.
Even in the Dutch oven or in the oven. The last 10 minutes is when I put my cheese on to melt it on the top. So I'm not folding my cheese in.
Okay.
This is your eggs. Okay, I did 6 of my eggs. I'm gonna mix this together. And I know I had this whipping cream. Will you hold that for me, Brooke?
I would love to, yes.
So I had this whipping cream in the fridge, and everybody at work is like, what are you doing with whipping cream? It's 1.5 cups of whipping cream. I bought the heavy whipping cream. It was on sale. You can use just about all of it, or you can just use the regular whipping cream.
I've never added whipping cream to my scrambled eggs before.
Oh, yes, so good, right? All right, so then we're gonna mix that in, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the protein, and maybe by mixing that in, your friends that you've made will go away.
Bitsy and Buzzy.
Bitsy and Buzzy
will
go away.
I did add whipping cream for French toast, right? That's what we do for French toast sometimes, yeah.
Okay, so this is my pre-cooked sausage that I did, that I wanna add in here.
Got it.
Okay, and really what you should do is add in these cubed, I'll hold that for you.
What am I doing?
These cubed.
Oh.
I cubed our warm and serve rolls. Those really should go first.
Okay, look
at that. So what you do is fold those in there and let that sit for about 10 minutes.
All of it?
Yeah, and then you can add your proteins. But I was so wanting to get rid of my bees that we added our proteins right away. Salt and pepper.
Rude, they came to the party and they're not invited.
They're not invited. So we're just fold that in. You can add your salt and pepper to taste. The recipe actually has cracked peppers, so whichever you want to use. Okay. I'm sorry I did that out of order.
That's okay.
Our website's on our.
You're the mountain mama. You can do whatever you want.
I can just see you making a shirt that says that. Okay, and there's your bacon. And then onions on the recipe, I used about half the amount that it recommended because these are really strong, and I'm not a big onion person.
I'm not either.
I am a bacon person. Let's get that. Oh, thank you, Brooke. That works.
My 8-year-old loves bacon, like she's one of those crazy bacon lovers. And yesterday, she was in a hurry between sports and dance, and I made her a bacon grilled cheese.
Oh.
She thought I was the best. Isn't that funny, those little joys? Okay, what was that, peppers?
Red peppers.
Okay.
But you know, really seriously, if you want something different, you can, but I love the color of these.
It's pretty, yeah.
It really is.
I was gonna compliment the color.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Right? Right now, okay, when it comes to the hash browns, I don't want the ones that are shredded. I'd rather have the cubed ones, okay? And you can put those in there. I gave you the hard job.
I'm glad I skipped the gym this morning. Let's be honest, I skipped the gym yesterday too.
I don't believe it. I am just not believing that at all. This cheese I'm gonna just set aside because we're gonna add that the last 10 minutes. So we're gonna fold that all in.
Okay.
I have my liner, and we're gonna just put this, spray our liner, and we're gonna put it in here.
Ready for
Now, everybody is gonna wonder why we have all of this wonderful, because when you think about going camping, don't you think s'mores?
Always.
So we have a Dutch oven s'more one that is on our website. So you can look on there, that's in the Dutch oven.
It's like a casserole type thing?
It's Dutch oven s'more bread pudding is what it's called.
Bread pudding.
And you use these warm and serve rolls. And the reason these are so great for when you are doing like camping or whatever, you know, it doesn't mind if they don't stay frozen. So we just took those out, and those are the ones that we used for this, and then we cubed it. Look how good you made that look.
Well, I had a good assistant.
So all of it together, put that in there. Dutch oven, 350.
Okay.
16 on top, 10 on bottom. If it's 12 inch, if it's 10 inch, then it will come up a little bit higher, and it would be 15 on top and 9 on the bottom.
And I love seeing how your Rhodes product that we already have in our freezer, that's a staple on our grocery list, can be used in so many different varieties of foods.
It's awesome. And outdoor cooking is still on our website right now. So if you go on there, that's the homepage. And we're just going to extend the summer.
Love it.
Just a little bit.
No,
you know?
I think plenty of people will have some last season camping trips happening. And if not, there's ways to adapt, I know, for our at-home experiences too. Heidi, we love you. Thank you. Where can we get more recipes?
RhodesBaconServe.com.
RhodesBaconServe.com. This product, of course, available in the freezer aisle of your grocery store. We love you. Mountain Mama, thank you so much.
Our bees left.
They left. They felt neglected and they left. So
Okay,
good job.
I'm glad.
Bitsy and Buzzy. Bye-bye.